He's still learning how to sit. Baby, you're still learning how to sit? Huh? Don't jump. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Why zoom out? He's still learning. Say bye to the camera. Bye. Hey, potato. 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 Say bye. Chi-chi. 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 She says she does a snore. Yeah, watch this. Yo. Baby, say bye. Your mom be snoring hardcore. Baby. Bye. You got caught snoring today. It's gonna go on YouTube.
No.
Trust me. It's gonna go on YouTube. I feel sorry for you.
No.
YouTube, baby. Look at the juiciness.
Snoring? Stop.
Oh my god, snap. Oh, hell no. No.
But you have to learn. We're going to Mexico in 1
Well,
month.
no, you never learn how to speak my language. You never learn that.
I didn't say you gotta learn. Well, I did. But you gotta get used to it.
Bro, no.
Yes.
No. Nah. Oh my god, with this song. Whatever you do, do not move the camera.
I didn't eat anything.
Suck for you, you gotta go to the gym first. But yeah, Mira, you got caught snoring. Oh, baby, it's about to go on YouTube. But we're about to go to the office right now. The office look like a mess, guys. We did a pre-lunch, a bunch of box.
Pre-order.
Pre-order, yes. I keep saying pre-lunch, whatever. Pre-order. We have the kids coming in. We have we work with a special group of kids with autism, and then they come in every Monday. So now we have to go clean so they can feel comfortable. Right now it doesn't look like chairless place you would want to work because boxes are everywhere, but better to be this way than not to be. So we're about to go in and clean a little bit, have their area at least very clean, and then Monday my sisters are coming back to help me.
Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. And then we're gonna finish doing quality control for the new product, and that's about it for tomorrow. And we'll see what happens. But I can't wait for the viewers to see she got caught snoring.
No.
You. This camera is not that bad though. It's holding on pretty strong. Right, Mila?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, my face is burning. Yes.
It's really hot today.
Huh?
What's the temperature? 88 it says here.
That's not bad.
Ow.
Well, sometimes it's always hot. Well, all the time it's always hotter inside of the car than
No, but outside it does feel hot.
than outside. It should go down a little bit. You like driving cars without gas.
It still has gas.
Whatever. But let's see. Hold on. Oh, it's the same email.
Did I send you? Did I show you?
Yeah. So, I was at the gym today. And then when I was coming back, I start having ideas. That's why I like to drive around, because when I drive around, I have crazy ideas, and I start running to her at the house. And I was like, Mita, I got some things for you. And I start drawing like what we want to bring, because one of the goals is to kind of like incorporate innovation, technology into GLF, into our company. And I be coming out, I'm a tech guy, right? I be coming out with the most craziest idea, but it's a matter of like executing in one to start making one happen. Because when you have like ideas that are like not the norm or are almost impossible to make, right? It's usually very hard. It usually takes a lot of money to build. So that's why a lot of my ideas sometimes don't go to life. But it's always good to keep writing your ideas down and start thinking beyond the box to see how you can bring them to life. And that's what I do all the time, right? And one of the other things we want to do is, right now we're in Connecticut, we want to move to California, and we want to open a store. But we want to open a store to the next level, not just the regular cosmetic store they already have, right? Because, you know, me as a engineer, I want to bring something. I want to bring the cosmetic world to the next level. I want you to feel some type of way when you walk to a store, right? I'm not a big store guy, but if I'm gonna do something, right, it better be damn good. So that's one of the things we're talking about. We started drafting in paper. We have it in paper, right, Mita?
Yes. I'm the one that approves it.
Technically, I come with all those ideas. She have absolutely no idea. I have to explain myself 700 times.
He has to, like, every
Draw
idea
thing.
he has to draw them. Otherwise, I'm like, I don't know. I will say yes,
Man.
but I'm like, I don't know what the hell you say.
But it is what it is. At least, you know, we're coming to a common ground of understanding. But yeah, guys, we're about to go in. We'll see you at the office. Whose face is that? Mira, show them your face.
It's not my face for sure.
Mira, whose face is this?
It doesn't look like me.
Juiciness. Juiciness. Yeah.
Welcome to the mess.
Welcome to the jungle, guys. Look at the jungle. Boxes are everywhere, but that's a good thing, though.
Yeah.
Don't judge. Right? But we're gonna clean it. We send out a lot of products. It's the weekend, so we're gonna clean as much as we can today.
I just lost my thing.
And we'll show you the final result. Mira. Right?
Yes. I dropped my hair thing.
And then we'll show you in a little bit. All right, guys, it's hot in here, but we got a little bit done. As you can see, right, we took out all the boxes. We cleaned out this space at least to get the kids comfortable when they're coming back Monday, which is technically tomorrow. And those boxes, we'll get rid of them tomorrow, and then we'll do quality control on the rest. And then this area will be clean, and in the back we'll start attacking it probably Tuesday, Monday afternoon or Tuesday. But at least we got the front clean. We're about to be out of here. Mita is about to go to I like to say Mita, which is look, right? But in my head it's kind of like me saying miss, right? So that's why I like to say Mita. But we're done. We're about to be out of here. She's going to the gym, and then we're going to Stop and Shop, grab some healthy food, cabbage, grass food, so we can stay healthy, cook later, and then
healthy?
so we can lose weight, whichever. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're about to be out of here, and then we'll come back tomorrow. You know, as a business owner, there's no days off, and every day is a Friday, right?
Yes.
Every day is a Friday. We have no Mondays, we have no Sundays, we have no Fridays. It's just whenever the work needs to be done, we're here, right? But this is it for this video, and hopefully I'll learn how to do it shorter and shorter and shorter. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share the video to see more of us, and share, you know, our video with the world as two entrepreneurs, and we're two immigrants, right? We're, of course, you know, Americans, but we came from other countries. Where are you from, Mita? For those of you that doesn't know.
I'm from Oaxaca, Mexico.
And I'm from Port-au-Prince, Haiti. And this is my beautiful fiance. We're the owner of GLF Cosmetics, Azteca Cosmetics, top-rated lashes. Hopefully someday we'll make all those videos, how we started, things like that. But yeah, we're done for today. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.